I am here to announce the election schedule for Jila Panchayat. You are aware that elections were to be held in the month of March, but because of COVID, these were postponed. Even though all the activities before the actual conduct of poll had taken place, only the polling date was pending when these were postponed. So we have fixed that poll date to be 12th of December 2020, Saturday. The poll will be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The counting will be held on 14th December 2020, Monday, from 8 a.m. till counting is complete. As you are aware, with the announcement of election schedule, the model code of conduct comes into force immediately, and it will be in force up to midnight of 14th of December 2020, the date of counting. This is the election schedule. We are going for election to 48 seats. There are total 50 seats, 25 are North Goa and 25 are South Goa. In South Goa, 24 Sankol seat, the member was elected unopposed and the notification has been issued for that. In 16 Navelim, it was countermanded because of the death of one contesting candidate. So polling will be held only in 23 constituencies as far as District South is concerned. This is the schedule. And everything has been done. Everything has been done. Nomination, withdrawal, even contesting candidates. It was, as you are aware, it was postponed on 20th of March. The poll was scheduled to be on 22nd of March. So only one day was in between, 21st.
So they are given extra time or something or nothing? Just a polling day?
Just a polling day. It will be polling day now.
So
That day also only polling day was pending.
but can they campaign now or something like that?
No public campaigning will be permitted because campaigning time had already over when the election was postponed.
What about those political parties having meeting these days?
No, after this, from today onwards,
They cannot have.
there cannot be public campaigning now.
So they can have
All our flying squads and others, they will be in field immediately.
they can have a campaign on TV or print media, something like that. Do advertisement, they can do campaigning.
You see, public campaigning is not allowed,
Uh,
as I have said. It covers everything. It covers everything.
even TV, they cannot allow.
Obviously, that is public campaigning only.
Where the counting?
Moreover, they have to, for everything they have to apply to the returning officer. Once campaigning is over, then they are not going to give any permission, sir.
Where the counting will take place? Counting will take place in
At different places, there are counting centers. Counting will take place. I think there are 15
So where it will be?
15 counting centers.
Counting will be on ballot paper or counting will be on ballot paper.
Yes, yes.
It is ballot paper.
Voting.
Voting will be on ballot paper.